Hello, gods and goddess. Welcome to my channel. I am Connie Dukley, the Liberian Goddess. Usually I am doing yoga on the Liberian Goddess channel, but today I just want to show you guys how I do my interlock and show you guys on my hair channel, Moonface Salon. So make sure you like and subscribe, okay? All right, so really fast, I'm gonna get through this. I've got 4 locks left to interlock and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that, okay? Let's do it. So first things first, I use this interlock tool. It's amazing. I'll put the link on the bottom. Make sure you check it out. It'll make your job go a lot faster, okay? So generally most people go west, east, south, north, whatever, north, south. I'm not a big fan of that. I just do right to left, top to bottom, okay? So here's this lock. And let's do it. I wonder if you guys can see. Okay. Try to get close to this camera here so you guys can see. Okay. Okay. So, it's my first one. So I go right to left, top to bottom. Here we go. Top to bottom. Okay. There's one. Okay. I'm gonna lock it one more time. Oop. There's one. And here's the last one. I don't know if you got a chance to see that, but it goes right down the bottom of that. And there we go. All right. So I'm going to do it a couple more times. So hopefully you can see it here. All right. So here's my tool. Here's my lock. Okay, so right to the left, like so, top to bottom. Like so, okay? One more time. Right to left. Ooh. Top to bottom. Oop. There we go, beautiful. All right, 2 more and we're done. All right, so I had the liberty of getting most of it done beforehand, obviously, just to make this a quick video. Just want to show you guys how to do it, and I hope good luck to you. It definitely took me a day and a half. I started late because I was kind of dreading it this time, but I started really late and dreading it, started like all right, okay, let me try that one more time. Pay attention here. All right, let's do this. Right to left, top to bottom. Oh, there we go. One more time. I hope you can see it. Right to left. Boop. Top to bottom. There we go. Last one. All right. Make sure you're twisting it to the right. Let's get it. Right to left. Top to bottom. Boom. See that? One more time. All right, right to left. Top to bottom. Boom. Make sure you don't interlock them together because that is really, really hard to get rid of. All right, so we are done. Look at that. It's clean. Boom. Whew. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe at www.thelightveingoddess.com, and I do all these styles. I do mini locks, sister locks, I do retwisting, braids, wigs, sew-ins, cuts, blowouts, whatever you need. Make sure you book your styles with me. Can you guys see my shirt? Because I absolutely love it. It's my girl Koo shirt. I stole it from my boyfriend's closet, and hope he doesn't hate me for it. But yeah, so like and subscribe. This is my hair page. I will be trying to do a lot more hairstyles for you guys, so you guys can stay fly and looking fly all the time like me. Just kidding. Okay, all right guys, see you next time.